Number 1.
1995 GMC 1500, price $6,500. It has been modified with an 8.1L Chevy big block engine swap, giving it significantly more power than the stock configuration. The truck runs and drives well, making it a solid running project for enthusiasts looking to refine or complete the build. Originally a 4x4 model, the front differential was removed to accommodate the engine swap. The rear end features a flip kit for a lowered stance, though it has not been notched. Inside, the truck has a custom interior, though it is missing a dash bezel, which will need replacement. It has been driven for 180,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior color is unspecified. With a clean title, this Sierra offers a great foundation for someone looking to complete a unique and powerful build or enjoy it as a running and driving project.
Number 2.
1986 Ford Ranger, price $7,200. This is a well-maintained classic with just 83,000 miles on the odometer. Featuring an automatic transmission, it comes in an elegant off-white exterior with a blue interior, maintaining its original vintage charm.
Powered by a gasoline engine, this truck has received recent work to ensure it runs smoothly and reliably.
The vehicle includes its original matching camper and retains its factory paint, adding to its authenticity and appeal. Though it hasn't been in the current owner's possession for long, it has proven to be an excellent and dependable truck. Now in great running condition, it is ready for a new adventure. Whether for daily projects or weekend getaways, this Ford Ranger STX offers both functionality and classic style, making it a perfect companion for any journey. The clean title is in hand, ensuring a hassle-free transfer to its next owner.
Number 3.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, with 300,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and a powerful motor that runs strong, along with a durable transmission that shifts smoothly. The exterior boasts a fresh coat of Chevy red paint, giving it a clean and striking look, while the interior is finished in a classic brown. As a 4x4 model, it is built for versatility and performance, whether on or off the road.
The truck is currently tagged and up to date, ensuring it is ready for immediate use.
Additionally, a complete LS swap setup is available for purchase and can be installed for an extra cost. It comes with a clean title in hand, making it a hassle-free purchase for anyone looking for a dependable and stylish classic Chevy truck.
Number 4. 1991 Ford F150, price $3,800. This is a well-maintained truck with a 4.9L inline-6 engine, a 5-speed manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive.
It has just surpassed 200,000 miles and runs great on gasoline. Finished in white, it features an F250 front bumper, aftermarket headlights and taillights, American racing rims with off-road tires, a full Flowmaster exhaust system, and a cold air intake. The windows are tinted all around except for the windshield.
Inside, it boasts an upgraded sound system with two 12-inch subwoofers.
It recently received a fresh oil change and new wipers, making it road-ready.
Number 5.
1981 Ford F100, price $10,000. This is a fully restored classic truck that combines vintage style with modern high performance. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful 7.2L 440 Mopar engine sourced from a 1971 Dodge Challenger RT, delivering an impressive 550 horsepower with an engine compression of 220 psi.
This truck is built for performance and runs flawlessly, making it a true standout on the road.
With only 12,000 miles driven, it remains in excellent condition. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth driving experience, while the bold black exterior contrasts beautifully with the striking blue interior. Running on gasoline, this F100 has been meticulously maintained and comes with a completed smog check, making it ready for its next owner. It's a piece of automotive history that has been carefully restored and upgraded. There are many additional features and details that make it truly one of a kind.
A trade might be considered for the right offer. Number 6. 2000 GMC Sierra 3500, price $9,695, featuring a custom cowboy camper that adds both style and functionality. With only 160,000 miles on the odometer, it has remarkably low mileage for its age and remains in fantastic condition. Powered by a 5.7L V8 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, this truck delivers a smooth and reliable driving experience. The exterior is finished in a bold red, while the interior boasts a clean and comfortable gray cabin. Inside, the rear bench seat conveniently folds into a bed, making it perfect for long trips or overnight stays. This Sierra 3500 comes with cruise control for effortless highway driving, a working stereo system enhanced with sound haptics controls, and the original window sticker, preserving its authenticity.
Number 7.
1993 GMC 3500, price $10,000. This is a strong and reliable work truck with 186,000 miles, still used daily and running great.
Powered by a 7.4L big block gasoline engine, it delivers impressive performance with an awesome-sounding exhaust.
The automatic transmission and 4x4 system make it well-suited for both heavy-duty tasks and off-road conditions. The exterior is finished in sleek black, while the interior is in immaculate condition with a gray color scheme. It has been upgraded with a suede headliner and a starlight kit, adding a unique touch of style.
A BW gooseneck hitch in the rear enhances its towing capability, and the truck bed has been recently lined for extra durability.
With a clean title and current registration, this GMC 3500 is not only a dependable work truck but also a solid project vehicle for those looking to customize and enhance its potential.
Number 8.
1966 Ford F100, price $4,400. It has been driven for 36,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The truck is painted white on the exterior, with an off-white interior. It runs on diesel fuel and is equipped with an 8-lug rear axle. Under the hood, this truck is powered by a Perkins 4.236T turbo diesel engine, paired with a heavy-duty manual transmission. The transmission includes a PTO, power takeoff, option and a gear splitter, which is connected but not currently powered, requiring additional setup to be fully functional. Though the truck runs and drives, it has been sitting for a long time, so a thorough check of the basics is recommended. It was acquired as part of a package deal and was last registered in 2005. For those looking to register it again, the associated fees amount to $1,050.
Number 9.
1968 Chevrolet 3500, price $7,500, with 74,000 miles, featuring an automatic transmission and a sleek black exterior with a matching black interior. It is powered by a Chevy 350 small block engine with headers, providing strong performance and a great driving experience. The interior is clean, and while there is some rust in the usual spots, the cab remains solid. The rocker panels aren't in the best shape, but they are not completely deteriorated. Replacement rockers are included with the sale. The truck runs and drives smoothly, though there is a minor oil leak, likely from the rear main seal.
However, it remains roadworthy as long as the oil and transmission fluid levels are checked before driving.
It comes with a clean title and pink slip, but the plates will not be included in the sale.
Number 10.
1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500. It has been driven for a total of 140,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and effortless driving. Under the hood, it features a brand new 350 engine with less than 5,000 miles, providing strong performance and durability. The truck's long bed design offers ample cargo space, making it ideal for hauling and transportation needs. Its exterior is finished in a deep green color, giving it a classic and rugged look, while the interior is adorned in a striking gold, adding a unique touch of character. Running on gasoline, this 2WD truck is not only dependable but also ready to hit the road without any issues.